In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up QuickBooks for rental properties. By the end, you'll know a clean, repeatable way to record rent using a sales receipt in QuickBooks Online, so your books stay accurate and your rental income is easy to track. Start by opening QuickBooks in your browser and head to your main dashboard. Once you're in, move your mouse to the Create button at the top left. This is your hub for entering transactions. When the menu appears, choose Sales Receipt. A sales receipt is perfect for rent because it records income at the exact moment you receive payment, unlike an invoice which expects payment later. If your tenant has already paid this month's rent, whether by check, cash, or an instant transfer, this is the right form to use. On the sales receipt screen, click the Customer field. Select the tenant who's paying rent today. If you manage several units, be consistent with how you name tenants and properties so your reports stay tidy. For example, using a clear naming convention for each tenant helps you see at a glance who paid and when. If you've already set up your customer list, this is just a quick search and select. If you see multiple similar names, double check you're picking the right one tied to this property. Next, move to the Product Service column in the line item area. Start typing the name of your rent item and choose Rent from the list. Selecting a dedicated rent service ensures the amount posts to the correct income account and keeps your rental reports meaningful. If you've already defined a standard rate or description for the rent item, QuickBooks will fill those in automatically. Confirm the date reflects the day you receive payment and that the amount aligns with the agreed monthly rent. You can also add a simple note in the description, like the month covered, to make future reviews and year-end prep faster. Once everything looks right, customer, date, rent item, and amount, choose Record, and close. QuickBooks will save the sales receipt, post the income to your books, and bring you back to where you started. That's all it takes. You've captured a rent payment in a way that's fast, consistent, and easy to report on. Going forward, repeat this same flow each time you receive rent. Using a single rent service for all units paired with the correct customer keeps your rental income organized and your statements straightforward. Thanks for watching, and keep this workflow handy for a smooth month-end close every time.